Okay, so the first thing you do is look on this one page on fear, and we have all that you need to do the assignment. I would, if I, I don't think you did number one, so I would just, from where you are now, click on this Jamboard, fears, and then look at some examples of people's fears. Choose one. There's a lot here to choose. So choose one, and then you're going to make it your central idea, okay? Here are the directions. It's called one-pager description and scoring. So basically, a one-pager is some kind of creative response, and you're going to do it on either Google Slides or Jamboard. You're going to make a title for it. It can be the title of your fear. It can be the name of your fear. You need to write your name on it, use different colors, just like this document is doing, using different colors, font sizes. Fill the page with images and words that depict your fear. Choose two quotes. Put 3 visual images on there, whether they be cut and paste from the internet, your photos, or YouTube, whatever you want to do. Just choose 3 visual images. Place 5 meaningful vocabulary words. Write the main idea and 2 questions. And then we have an example and some templates. So you click on one pager example and templates. And so slide number 2 is an example. Slide 3 is a reference page. So this is an example of mine. This is my references, all the pictures I used and all the quotes I used. I gave credit where credit's due. Okay. All right. So my fear with stereotypes. I have a main idea. I have a quote. I have some visual images, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 2 questions. I have vocabulary words. Okay. So my references. And then here are some other ways you can organize your fear one pager. I use this one. And the way you put a text box in is you just do this, click the T and put the little box in it, and then you just make a box and then you can type in it. Okay.